Hi there guys, my name is Korak. Now if you're looking to buy a smartphone in the budget-friendly category but with good features, I've got a great pick for you, the Redmi 9 Prime. So let's start. The box includes the handset, power adapter, USB cable, SIM eject tool and a clear soft case. Now let's get the phone booted up. It features a 6.53-inch FHD+ capacitive multi-touch water drop notch touchscreen with 2340 by 1080 pixels resolution. It comes with an AI recognition quad rear camera which includes a 13 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel portrait lenses. The 8 megapixel front camera is the perfect tool for your perfect selfies. The phone is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3 and a splash-proof design. Last but not the least, it features a 5020 mAh large lithium-polymer battery. It also has two storage variants, a 64GB version and a 128GB one, both of which are expandable to 512GB. The Redmi 9 Prime is one of the prime contenders for the best budget smartphone. So what are you waiting for? Get it yourself.